All right, good morning, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Today is Wednesday, January 20th. Pretty simple today, just completing the Chapter 6 test. If you come to live class, we'll go over any questions you have on the practice test, and then you just complete the test. Couple reminders, the Chapter 6 programs are due this Friday by midnight 1:22. And then looking ahead in our folder here a little bit, the test is here. If you do want to end up retaking this one, you can, but you just have to do it pretty quickly because we're coming up quick on finals week. So the POL and stuff is right here. Looking ahead, after we finish the test today, Thursday, Friday, we'll do a couple new topics on the back half of Chapter 6 on two-dimensional arrays and array lists. Kind of cool, interesting topics, actually. And then next week, we'll dive into finals review. So we'll review for 3 days and then take the final exam, which will go on your summative grade. It'll be approximately one additional test on your summative grade. So I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about our schedule or anything, just reach out. And again, make sure you get that test done today. If you are unable to take it today, let me know and we'll come up with a plan. All right, have a good day.